I got these real cool little rotary cutters, and the reason why I got two is because, see, there's an R right there. There's an R right there. You can use one for right and one for left. I'll explain that later why I like to do that. But here's how you change. All you need is one. You don't need to buy a right or a left. You just need to buy one. And all you need to do is pop the little blade out like this. Little blade, and its little holder falls right there. This little thing turns over, and on the other side, if you can see right there, it says left. You pop this little puppy back in there. Actually, I don't like to touch the edge of the blade if I can keep from it. Snap it back into place. Well, here. There we go. We're having assistance from Siggy. There we go. Voila. Now it's left. This is right, that's left. Why would a right-handed person need a left-handed blade? Because if you're cutting a bias strip or you're cutting on the line and you want to cut on this side, it's real hard to do it, particularly if it's raised. It just can't get past that line right there. If you have a left one, it's all nice and clean up there. You can just whoosh on this side of the ruler, whoosh on that side of the ruler. So you don't have to worry about what side you're on. Okay, I know that's picky, but there it is. I'm really excited about these blades. I've used this other one, this big one, and it's very ergonomic. It feels really good in your hand. These do too, but my problem with this is that when I get ready to do a real tiny corner or a curve, it's just cumbersome. It's very cumbersome. These little jewels are going to work great. I can tell already. I really like this. My old ones were a little bit, this was a Fisker, they were a little bit larger and they worked fine, so I know this will work the same way. This is how I solve the problem with these Fiskers. I just put it on the other side. But when I do that, you can see there's a little bit of more extra space right there as opposed to here, which means this is set up a little higher, which means this often runs on the edge of my ruler that I use on my mat, my cutting mat. And the ruler that I use over there has cork, and which helps it stay stationary, and it's metal, and it raises up a little bit on the fabric, and it's just enough that this doesn't quite do it. On this side, it's great. See how it's just a little bit longer over that area than it is over this. I know, minor detail, but a new gadget alert. Okay,